Hello YouTube, Chachi is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix the application was unable to start correctly with the error code 0xc0000135 error on Windows computer or Windows operating system. So the solution will work for all Windows operating system, Windows 11, Windows 10. So let's see on how can we solve this problem. So to solve this problem, click on your search icon here, and after that type here control panel. So here the control panel, then open your control panel, then you will find your control panel like this. But if you cannot find it like this, just go on the right top corner, view by, and click the arrow and make the icons under large icon. Then find for program and features, then click on it. Then after program and features open, on the left top corner you will find turn Windows feature on or off, then click on this one. After that you will get Windows feature, lists of Windows feature, then click here Net Framework 3.5 and 2.0. make sure you check this one, and also Net Framework 4.8 Advanced Service. So after you check both this one, then select here OK. So it's searching for required files. Wait patiently. So select Let Windows Update download the files for you. Select this one, and here downloading required files. So it may take some time. Wait patiently until the download will be completed. So after the download will be completed, it will ask you to restart your computer, then restart your computer, and your problem will be fixed. So this is all about how you can fix this application error. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share to your friends. For today, Chachi out.